you know, from the party. So does that mean you're a seed?
I'm Squall, the squad leader. There's 2 others with me.
Yes,
Whoa,
Seed is here.
jeez. Oh. Take it easy.
It's just that I'm so happy. I've been sending requests to Garden forever, but nothing. I'm so glad I spoke to Sid directly.
Oh, so you were looking for the headmaster at the party?
You know Cypher?
Yeah.
Well, he's the one who introduced me to Sid. Sid is such a nice man. I really didn't think Sid would come out to help a measly little group like us. But after explaining our situation to him, Sid gave the go-ahead right away. Now that you guys are here, we'll be able to carry out all kinds of plans.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm going back to the others.
Okay, let's go. Squall, is he here? Cypher.
Oh, no, he's not a seed.
Oh. By the way, my name's Rinoa. Very pleased to meet you, Squall. Seed members dance quite well, don't they?
Approach your target inconspicuously at a dance party. There may be missions requiring this sort of subterfuge. It's expected of Seed to learn various skills.
Oh, so it's work-related. That's too bad. Here, let me introduce you. This is my partner Angelo. He's really smart. Here, let me tell you. Smart, huh? I have some important work to do now. Be good, Angelo. Okay, Squall, I'll meet you there.